From the 4th to the 7th of December, Ghana receives from the throne room in the Worshippers Conference. Yearning to see a new level of worship, Trinity Baptist Church Oasis House presents the Worshippers Conference. Speaker is Minister Sonny Badu. From Thursday 4th to Sunday 7th December, we meet 6 p.m. from Thursday to Saturday and 8 a.m. on Sunday. Venue, Oasis House opposite UPSA Legon. Host is Pastor Kingsley Appiaje. Admission is free. Ending 2014 and entering 2015, we seek to make the most of our worship. The Worshippers Conference, bringing the mind of God in worship.
Come on everybody, help.